Welcome to Kokani Physics. Mutual inductance between two solenoids, coaxial solenoids. जर दोन सोलोनॉइड असले, एका सोलोनॉइडांतल्यान करंट सोडलो जाल्यार दुसरे सोलोनॉइडान EMF इंड्यूस जाता, करंट इंड्यूस जाता. Okay, all because of mutual inductance. What are the factors that on which the mutual inductance depends? हे सगळे आमी पळोवया, डेरिवेशन करया, सगळें कळटलें. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट. पयली दोन तीन गजाली जाय पडटल्यो ते पळोवया. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दॅट आमी जर कॉयल घेता, एक कॉयल घेता, लेट अस टेक कॉयल 1 आनी हांगा करंट घातलो फर्स्ट कॉयल आनी सेकंड कॉयल हांगा आसा जाल्यार ह्या कॉयलीन EMF or current will be induced. Okay, so the flux in the second coil is flux in the second coil due to the first coil is given by m times current in the first coil. हो जाला फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला, हो आमकां जाय. म्युच्युअल इंडक्टन्स जें कितें ह्या कॉन्टेक्स्टाक जाय तितलेंच सांगता हांव, अदरवायज इट्स अ लेंथी टॉपिक. म्युच्युअल इंडक्टन्स ओके, जे डेरिवेशनाक जाय तितलेंच सांगता. So this is one thing which we are using for derivation purpose. Second पळय, एक कॉयल आसा, भितरले magnetic field B is given by mu naught Ni, number of turns per unit length for the coil, and current passing through the coil, that will give us magnetic field. हो एक फॉर्म्युला, सेकंड फॉर्म्युला. तिसरो फॉर्म्युला लागता, flux through that coil is NBA cos theta. To the solenoid is number of turns of the solenoid. Magnetic field A is area of the coil. Cos theta is the angle between area vector and magnetic field. This is the third formula. हो आमचो तिसरो फॉर्म्युला. हे तिनूय फॉर्म्युला आमकां लागतले. ओके, using these formulas आमी काडया mutual inductance between two solenoids on the same axis. Right? आता आमी दोन solenoid घेवया on the axis, coaxial. This is the first coil. एक first solenoid. This is the first solenoid. And there's another one inside it on the same axis. Axis gets same. This is the axis. And हांगा दुसरो आसा रेड कलर. हो दुसरो. हो एका पयलो म्हणया. This is I1. And this is I2. पयले हेजे say area is A1. Number of turns is N1, which is equal to N1 into L. And तुमकां खबर आसतलें, number of turns per unit length into length is the number of turns, right? Second घेवया, I2, area is A2, number of turns is N2, which is equal to N2L. This also we know. Okay. आता हे हांगाच्यान एक जर प्रोजेक्शन घेतलें, it looks like this. ही धाकटी कॉयल, फर्स्ट कॉयल, and this is the second coil. हांव मुद्दाम हांगा बरयता कित्याक आमकां फ्युचराक काडटना लागतलें. कितें करया, फर्स्ट केस 1, करंट थ्रू फर्स्ट कॉयल, म्हणजे ह्या कॉयलींतल्यान करंट चल्लो भितर, ऑटोमॅटिकली दुसऱ्या कॉयलीन करंट इंड्यूस जातलो. I2 ना, दिस इज नॉन एक्झिस्टिंग, करंट इज गोईंग थ्रू I1. I1 करंट वतीन जातलें कितें तर फ्लक्स तयार जातलें, मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड तयार जातलें. मॅग्नेटीक फिल्डाक लागून फ्लक्स तयार जातलें, त्या फ्लक्साक लागून जो करंट तयार जातलो, दॅट इज द करंट विच इज इंड्यूस्ड इन द सेकंड कॉयल ड्यू टू म्युच्युअल इंडक्टन्स. फ्लक्स थ्रू द सेकंड फ्लक्स that is inside the second coil due to the current in the first coil, that is flux in the second coil due to the current in the first coil is equal to m into current in the first coil. First formula. परत एकदा सांगता, the flux that is created in the second coil, inside the second coil, due to the current passing through the first coil is m times I1. M is a mutual inductance, okay, times I1. Now, the magnetic field through the first coil, current पता नहीं, भितर magnetic field तयार जातलें, B is equal to दुसरो फॉर्म्युला पळय, is equal to mu naught number of turns of the first coil into current of the first coil. Number of turns per unit length into current of the first coil. Right? Now, flux in the second coil due to the first coil is also given as NBA cos theta. Number of turns of the second coils. Magnetic field of the first coil. कित्याक आनी कोण magnetic field तयार करना. Second coil induce जालो न्ही current. कित्याक magnetic field कोणे तयार केलें? First coil तयार केलें. Area of cross section of the first coil. पळय, हांगाच्यान हे जे मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड तयार जाता ह्या करंटाक लागून, that is responsible for the flux of the second coil. And कितले एरियन तयार जाले? A1 area. हेजे area A1, not A2. A1 area flux तयार जाले. So it is A1. Cos theta. Now cos theta म्हणजे angle made by area vector and magnetic field. And in both the cases, cos theta म्हणजे कितें? Cos theta is angle पळय. This is the area vector is perpendicular. Also, area vector is also, and magnetic field is ह्या direction. Either this way, आमकां लागना. Direction of magnetic field is not significant. आमी direction of current तितले consider करना. So it's okay. Magnetic field direction either this way or that way. In any case, magnetic field and area vector are in the same make 0 degrees. They make 0 degrees. Area vector coil असा न्ही round. So area vector is this way or this way. Magnetic field is also in this horizontal direction. So the angle between them is 0. So theta becomes 0, cos 0 is 1. So this is insignificant. I mean directly बरोया. This is N2 B1 A1. Okay, cos 0 is 1, right? So this becomes N2 N2 पळय N2L, number of turns per unit length. L is common for both. L is same for both. Dacty coil, Woodley coil, doganku L is the same length. B1 is this, mu naught N1I, mu naught N1 I1 and A1. This is flux, second coil. This is our F first घेऊया. This is B second, and this is the third equation. N2L mu naught N1 I1 second B and A1 is this. Cos 0 is 1. So इतलेच. So आम्ही replace करूया comparing equation 1 and 2. 1 and 3, not 2, 1 and 3. आमकां कितें मेळटा? Mi1 is equal to N2L mu naught N1 I1 A1. Okay. So हांगा cancel केलें. So we got M is equal to mu naught N1 N2 L A1. Mu naught N1 N2 L A1. This is the mutual inductance when we are passing current through the first coil and दूसरे coil in current induced जालो. This is the case. आले लक्षात? This is first. Second घेऊया. Second case. Current through second coil. आमची सेकंड कॉइल वडली न्ही. फर्स्ट कॉइलीन आतां आमी करंट इंड्यूस जातलो. सेकंड कॉइलीन करंट गेलो, फील्ड तयार जालें आनी फर्स्ट कॉइलीन करंट इंड्यूस जातलो. आतां फर्स्ट द करंट आतां हांगा मॅचिंग घे. The flux that is induced in the first coil due to the second coil is M times the current in the second coil. First coil in current ना. Current येतलो, induce जातलो, पण coil current आतां आमी घातला तो second coil इतल्या, right? आता magnetic field in the second coil is given by mu naught, number of turns in the second coil, and current in the second coil, right? Magnetic field, very simple formula, mu naught N I. आता flux in the first coil due to the second coil is equal to third formula, number of turns of the first coil. So number of turns of the first coil into B, magnetic field of the second coil. Now second coil जरी magnetic field B2 असले, okay, I'll write B2 here. Okay, of the second coil and area is A1. हे मातशे confusing असतले. कित्याक पळय, जरी magnetic field second coil येदे व्हडले तयार केलें, फ्लक्स कित्याक लागून येता? ह्या कॉइलीक जे फ्लक्स येता ते तितल्या पुरते एरियाक लागून येता न्ही, because it will not have any effect. See, the flux that is passing through the second coil, even हांगाच्यान जरी flux असलें because of the first coil, हांगा जरी असलें, what area is covered by the first coil? It is a small area A1. So म्हणून हांगा A1 आयली. कळुना? परत सांगता. The flux that is in the first coil is due to magnetic field, okay, of the second coil, agreed. But area is not of the second coil. कित्याक जो first coil area cover करता तो just A1, not A2. It is just A1. म्हणून A1. Okay. Now let us see. This will be N1 is what? N1 is again N1L. N1L. B2 is mu naught N2 I2 A1. This is y1 2. हांगा घेवया 1 2 आणि हे 3. Now comparing first and third, equating equation 1 and 3. कितें मेळटा? mi2 is equal to n1l mu naught n2 i2 a1, right? I2 I2 cancel zalo, so we get m is equal to mu naught n1 n2 l a1. This is the mutual induction because of the second coil in current through the second coil in गेलो आणि first coil in जे magnetic field तयार झाले, it is because of this mutual inductance. If you compare, दोन्ही mutual inductance are same. Okay, so we call it M. Okay, both are equal. Here mutual inductance you can write in other ways. You know N1 and N2. N1 is N1 upon L, N2 is N2 upon L. So I'll write M is equal to mu naught N1 upon L into N2 upon L into L A1. So this gives us M is equal to mu naught N1 N2 A1 upon L. This is the mutual inductance. Just आम्ही alter केला, N1 and N2 फक्त replace केला. Number of turns per unit length is number of turns upon length, right? हेच केला आम्ही. So finally आमकां पयल्या कितें कळटा? पळय, mutual inductance depends on number of turns of the first coil, number of turns of the second coil, area of cross section of the inside coil, भायली लागना, area of cross section of the inside coil, and length. It also depends on the permeability of the medium. ह्या जाग्यार आमी समज फेरोमॅग्नेटिक मटेरियल वापरलें, फ्री स्पेस वापरपाच्या वाट्याची जर फेरोमॅग्नेटिक मटेरियल वापरलें जाल्यार दिस विल बी हायर, म्युच्युअल इंडक्टन्स विल रायज हायर, कारण मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड भितरल्यान चड तयार जातलें ड्यू टू that is a property of a ferromagnetic material, and this will create a higher mutual inductance, and induced current will be higher, induced EMF will be high, right? This is the third one. Let's go for another case as bonus. आम्ही बुकार मेन्शन केली ना, just explain करता. समज आम्ही अशी coil घेता which is like this. हांगा पयली बरयता. Coil is like this. एक coil अशी घेता. ओके, आणि दुसरी कॉइल सेम हाजेर परती घेता. आता दोन्ही कॉइलीचो एरिया इज सेम, एरिया इज सेम, म्हणजे एक अशी फिरयल्या, दुसरी बी तेजेर वायंडिंग केल्या ऑन द सेम एकूच सिलिंडराचेर अशी कॉइल लायल्या आणि दुसरी बी तशी लायल्या, बट बोथ आर डिफरंट कॉइल्स, टू डिफरंट कॉइल्स, रायट? जाल्यार कशें आसतलें? लेट द करंट दिस थ्रू बी I1 and this through this be I2, right? So the mutual inductance on the second coil due to the first coil is given by M times number of current in the first coil. Okay, the magnetic field in the first coil is given by mu naught number of turns, or I write N1 into current in the first coil. आम्ही कितें केला? फर्स्ट कॉइल आम्ही धरला, एक फर्स्ट कॉइलीन करंट घातलो. फर्स्ट कॉइलीन करंट घालतकीर सेकंड कॉइलीन म्युच्युअल इंडक्टन्साक लागून करंट इंड्यूस जालो. ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट magnetic field that is created, the flux that is created in the second coil due to the first coil is given by this. Okay, magnetic field because of the आम्ही current first coil घातला, magnetic field in the first coil is given by this, right? And in the second coil, the flux in the second coil due to the first coil is given by number of turns of the second coil. So I'll write N2 L, N2 number of field of the first coil, B1, area is common, N2 BA, area is common, right? So hanga kide ata, this will be equal to N2L B1A, N2L B1 kide mu naught N1 IA. This is phi to 1. Again या आणि या इक्वेट करूया. आमकां मेळटा MI1 is equal to mu naught N1 N2 ILA. I1 म्हणून आम्ही, this is I1 LA. I cancel झाली, we got M is equal to mu naught N1 N2 LA. We get the same mutual inductance जे आमकां हांगा मेळ्ळा. परत एकदा सांगता जस्ट फॉर रिपिटेशन. म्युच्युअल इंडक्टन्स इन द सेकंड कॉइल इज ड्यू टू द करंट इन द फर्स्ट कॉइल. सो तेका लागून आमकां 5-1 मेळ्ळें. सो मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड इन द फर्स्ट कॉइल करंट वता म्हणून मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड. देन द फ्लक्स इन द सेकंड कॉइल इज गिवन बाय दीस फॉर्मुला. ओके, हांगा मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड रिप्लेस केलें, यू गेट दीस फॉर्मुला आनी फायनली यू इक्वेट इट टू द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, यू गेट दीस म्युच्युअल इंडक्टन्स. सेम वे फॉर द सेकंड वन. तिसरी केस आमी अशी घेतल्या की दोनूय कॉइल हिची एरिया सेम आसा. दे आर कोएक्शियल. दिस इज ऑल्सो कोएक्शियल केस. एकूच एक्सिसाचेर आसात. एकूच सॉरी मदीं येवपाचें अशें. दोन्ही एकूच एक्सिसाचेर आसात. दोन्ही कॉइली एकूच एक्सिसाचेर आसात आनी तेंची एरिया इज सेम. ओके, हांगा कितें जाता एक एरिया धाकटी एक व्हडली. हांगा तशी ना, दोन्ही एरिया सेम म्हणून एज घेतल्या जाल्यार सुद्दां यू आर गेटिंग द सेम म्युच्युअल इंडक्टन्स. रायट. फायनली फॉर एनी कोएक्शियल कॉइल्स वेदर दे आर equal in areas or not equal in areas, the mutual inductance is going to be the same. In this case area is common म्हणून A आयला, हांगा smaller area येता. Both cases it is smaller area, right? So fine, that's all about mutual inductance. आणि detail concept आसा सांगपाचें खूब आसा. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Mahesh Toraskar. Enjoy your life and love your parents. Bye bye.